Today we discuss about OTEC. OTEC means Ocean Thermal Energy Convention. This is the last chapter of in applied chemistry. The 15th ending chapter is Ocean Thermal Energy. Ocean Thermal Energy Convention is also called Hi, I am K. Hariprasad. Today we discuss about ocean thermal energy. Ocean thermal energy is also called OTEC. OTEC. OTEC means Ocean Thermal Energy Convention. Ocean Thermal Energy Convention or Ocean Thermal Energy. Introduction. Actually, in sea or ocean, the surface water and the groundwater, deep groundwater, temperature is different. The different temperature created in the ocean because the surface temperature is high and deep ocean water temperature is low. The difference temperature to produce electricity. The difference between surface water and deep groundwater temperature difference, minimum difference is 25 degrees Celsius. When the minimum difference temperature 25 degrees which created, then after to create electricity, the temperature difference existing between the surface and the deep ocean water. This temperature difference between the surface and the deep ocean water is utilized to generate electricity. The process which used the heat generate stored in the earth ocean to generate electricity called Ocean Thermal Energy Convention or OTEC. The surface water and deep water temperature is different because the surface water absorption of heat by the sun rays, that's why increase the temperature, but deep water temperature is low temperature. So difference, the minimum difference is 25 degrees to created on the ocean. The difference temperature used to generate electricity. OTEC system to produce electricity in three-way methods. One is closed cycle, open cycle, hybrid cycle. Three types of systems are available: closed cycle, open cycle, hybrid cycle. First, closed cycle OTEC. A closed cycle system used fluid with a low boiling point. In closed system, to use low boiling point liquid. The low boiling point liquid is like ammonia. Where to take ammonia? Why to take ammonia liquid in the system? Because the ammonia boiling point is very low. The ammonium boiling point is very low, that's why it is easily evaporated. So in this process, to use fluid, low boiling point fluid like ammonia, to rotate turbo generator to produce electricity. the vapors of ammonia used in the system, the vapors of ammonia to pass into turbines. The turbines is rotated, that is mechanical work, by the vapors of ammonia, which is to pass into generator where to produce electricity. The warm surface seawater is pumped through a heat exchanger. First, the warm surface water, first of all, to pass into the heat exchanger by the pump, where to contains in the heat exchanger to contains low boiling point fluid like ammonia. Low boiling point fluid nothing but ammonia. By the warm water, the ammonia fluid to convert into vapors. Then the fluid is vaporized. The working fluid vapor is sent into turbines or turbo generators. Both are you between the sides. Okay? The turbines to generate electricity in a generators. The turbo generator produce electricity. The fluid vapor condensed back into liquid. After rotation of the turbines, the ammonium fluid vapors sent into condenser where the vapors of ammonium to convert it into liquid by the cold deep sea water, which is pumped through the condenser. The fluid then recycled through the system using a pump. The same ammonium fluid repeat to use heat exchanger where the fluid ammonium to convert it into vapor state. The vapors of ammonia fluid repeat to convert it to liquid state at a condenser by use of deep cold water. In this system, the fluid ammonia to change the physical property. For example, this is the surface of warm water. This is the sea surface water. Sea surface water. The sea surface water heated by the sun rays, that is called warm water. The warm water first passed into heat exchanger. Heat exchanger passed into heat exchanger where the ammonium liquid to change vapor by the use of warm water. So the ammonium liquid passed into the ammonium liquid, not liquid, the ammonium vapors passed into turbo generators where to produce electricity. After rotation of the turbines or electricity, the same vapors of ammonia transfer to condenser where the cold water are used, deep sea water cold water are used. By the cold water, the vapors of ammonia to change into liquid state of ammonia. The liquid state of ammonia same to pass into repeat the heat exchanger or evaporators by use of pump. Okay, where the liquid ammonia to rotate the cycle process. By use of warm water, they convert into vapors of ammonia, high pressure vapors of ammonia. Where high pressure vapors of ammonia rotate the turbines to loss of energy or loss of pressure, low pressure of vapors of ammonia passed into condenser by use of cold water in a deep sea water. The vapors of ammonia, low pressure vapors of ammonia convert into liquid state of ammonia. Same, the liquid is same, repeat to again into heat exchanger condenser. So in this process, cycle process, where to use second fluid like ammonia, low boiling point ammonia. This is the closed cycle OTEC. Next, open cycle OTEC. Open cycle system use the tropical oceans or warm surface water to make electricity. Closed cycle used liquid ammonia, but where cannot use any secondary liquid, where to use only surface warm water, ocean surface warm water. Okay, when the warm sea water is placed in a low pressure container, it boils. The boiled sea water produce steam container pump pure water vapors. The steam drives low pressure turbines attached to the electrical generators. That means the warm sea water low pressure passed into low pressure container where easily boil, that converted to steam, that means converted into steam. The boiled sea water produce steam containing pure water vapors. In the steam to contains pure waters. Some impurities like cannot convert into steam, that is solute particles are removed. Only pure water is to convert into steam in a warm sea surface water. The steam drives the low pressure turbines. The steam passed into low pressure turbines to produce electricity. The steam is condensed back into pure water. The steam is then after to converted into pure water. The pure water used for drinking purpose. There is called desalinated water. There is called desalinated water. Why are you called desalinated water? Actually, sea water to contains pure solvent and solute of salt. The solute of salt cannot convert it into vapor state. Only pure solvent converted into vapor state. The vapor state of solvent boil, convert into steam to pass into turbines to produce electricity. After rotation of the turbines, the steam repeat to condensed or cooling by the cold water. It is converted into liquid. That liquid water is called desalinated water because it cannot present any salt ions. It is pure water in a condensed by circulating called as deep ocean water, by use of deep ocean water. So in this process, to produce desalinated water and also to produce electricity. See the diagram. For example, this is the warm surface water. The warm surface water pass into evaporated, where low boiling heat exchanger to change the warm water converted into steam. The steam is passed into turbine. The turbine rotated and produce electricity in a generators. After rotation of the turbines, the low pressure steam passed into condenser, where the deep cold water in the ocean pass into condenser. By the low temperatures, the steam is repeat to convert into liquids or water. That water is called desalinated water. It is the pure water. So where to produce electricity, where to produce pure water. This is the another diagram, same process. Okay. The warm water taken in a evaporator, In the evaporators, the dust particles are separated. Only pure solvent is converted into steam. Pure water is converted into steam. The steam is passed into turbines. Rotate the turbines, that is called mechanical energy. It is passed into generator to produce electrical energy. After rotation the turbines, the steam is to convert into low pressure steam. It is passed into condenser. Where to use of cold water, it is converted to liquid water. That liquid water is called desalinated water. Desalinated or fresh water output. In this evaporator, the salt ions cannot convert into steam. The salt ions are passed into ocean. That is called mixed discharge. That means in case any dust particles to presence in the steam, that is also removed. Total dust particles, total ions are discharged. This is the open cycle. Next, hybrid OTEC, hybrid cycle. OTEC means Ocean Thermal Energy Convention. Hybrid system combine the features of closed and open cycle system. In this cycle, to consist of open cycle arrangement and closed cycle arrangement. The warm seawater enter the vacuum chamber where it is flash evaporated into steam. In this process, first of all, to take the sea surface warm water, it is converted into steam in a vacuum chamber. First, similar to the open cycle evaporation process. The steam vaporized a low boiling point fluid, but where the warm steam cannot pass into turbines, where the warm water steam to pass into evaporator system, where to take the second fluid, to presence the second fluid of ammonia, that is to convert into steam by use of warm water. Okay, in a closed cycle type, closed cycle to use of secondary fluid. In this also to use secondary fluid. The secondary fluid to convert into steam by use of warm water steam. That is to pass into turbo generator to produce electricity. The fluid vapor condensed back into liquid. Same, the fluid vapor condensed back into liquid by use of cold deep water, which is pumped through a condenser. The fluid then recycled through the system using a pump, where the low pressure steam of ammonia to convert into liquid state in the condenser. That liquid repeatedly used in this process in a vacuum chamber. So the system recycled through the system. It is condensed back into pure water, that is called desalinated water, in a condensed by the circulated colder deep ocean water. So in this process, to produce electricity and desalinated water means pure waters. The warm steam passed into condenser to convert into liquid state. That liquid is called fresh water is collected. At the same time, the secondary fluid of ammonia steam passed into turbine to produce electricity. After rotation of the turbine, the low pressure steam of ammonia same passed into condenser where to convert into liquid ammonia but cannot taken, that is to pass into same vacuum chamber by use of pump. That is the recycled use of liquid ammonia, vapor state, vapor state and liquid state. This is the warm surface water passed into evaporators to convert into steam. That warm water steam passed into vacuum chamber where to presence of liquid ammonia. That liquid ammonia to convert it into vapors, fluid vapors by use of steam. That vapors ammonia passed into turbo generator to produce electricity. After rotation of the fluid vapor of ammonia, the fluid vapor of ammonia passed into condenser where to use of deep cold water in a sea, in a ocean. By use of cold water, the vapors ammonia repeatedly convert into liquid ammonia. The liquid ammonia by use of pump passed into same repeat evaporators. The warm steam used due to the liquid ammonia converted to vapor state. After the steam is passed into condenser where the deep cold water used the warm steam water to convert into liquid state. The liquid water is called desalinated water, that means pure water. This is the hybrid cycle. In this cycle to consist of closed system and open system. Both the systems are arranged, consisted in a hybrid cycle. Okay, thank you.